What's up guys, Ryan here. So today I wanted to do a video talking about some new marketplaces to list your print-on-demand products for sale on. Now you've probably heard of them, like I had definitely heard of both of them, but I hadn't considered selling print-on-demand on either one of them. And full disclosure, because I always keep it real with you guys, I haven't made any sales on either one, but I'm not gonna say I'm doing my best, but I'm definitely trying. The first one I wanted to talk about is Wish. So Wish it says it has over 500 million users across the world. I know my girlfriend shops on Wish. I didn't know that people would buy print-on-demand stuff there. I mean, I still don't know if they do because I haven't made any sales. But I've got a lot. I've got like 60% of my catalog of print-on-demand designs available for sale on Wish. Now, the thing about Wish is that when you upload to them through Printful, you have a limited selection of what products you can offer your designs on. So I've been uploading to the Gildan 64,000 unisex. I've made videos before talking about how that's my favorite, that's my preferred t-shirt. It is also the cheapest one on Printful, and on a marketplace like Wish where they are very conscious about price. You know, Wish is like a marketplace where people are doing a lot of like shopping for really cheap things that come via e-packet, like the slow mail service direct from China. And what's funny is like people will knock shopping on eBay, but they'll shop on Wish, and it's like you're buying from the same people. And it's literally the same thing. You're buying like e-packet delivery cheap items from China, so you can use Wish or you can use eBay, but it's like the same. I don't know. I'm an eBay guy, so I'm always sticking up for eBay, but I'm going off on a tangent right now. But yeah, so I've been listing my stuff on Wish through the Printful integration, and you guys know me. If you've been watching my videos, you know I prefer using the assistance of the Merch Titans automation uploader, which I always put a link in the description to if you guys don't know what I'm talking about. It's a tool that lets you automate the upload process for print on demand. One of the integrations is with Printful, so I can literally integrate like Merch Titans automation to Printful to Wish, or Merch Titans automation to Printful to Shopify, to Etsy, etc. So it's extremely powerful. It's how I managed to get 60% of my catalog up so quickly. This was only like a week or probably like 2 weeks ago that the Wish integration became available on Printful. And as far as I can tell, they don't have upload limits, so you can just like hammer away at it. You can just upload. There is an approval process. I'm logged into my Wish for Merchants right here. Although there's not really that much to say. I'm still trying to familiarize myself with what's going on here on the seller view for Wish. It is similar, in my opinion, to Seller Central on Amazon, where there's like a ton of things going on, and you kind of need to like stare at it and use it for a while before you start to like understand where to go, where to look, like where the relevant screens are. Also, they're always changing their policies every time you log in, seemingly. You have to agree to some new like user agreement. It's weird. But yeah, and when I talked to the CEO of Printful earlier this week, he said that, so he wanted to make people using the Print Wishful integration eligible, like their products eligible for whatever Wish calls their fast shipping products, because the expectation for a lot of Wish customers is that it's going to take weeks to a month to receive their product because they know it comes from China. I don't know if people know what e-packet is, but that's like, I think it's like free shipping from China to the US. I don't know exactly how it works because I've never done drop shipping. The one thing you won't see on my channel is talk about like Shopify drop shipping. Not that it doesn't work, but you know, I got mixed emotions. I'll talk about that for another video. All right, and then one other thing that I don't know if I even mentioned in my video outlining the hour that I spent on a conference call with the CEO of Printful, but we also talked about, well, he really talked about this, but he mentioned that people were having success selling on Poshmark. And Poshmark to me is like Etsy Junior. It's, you know, it's like a mix of Etsy and eBay almost, where it's geared towards selling high-end fashion goods. Like, you know, I like Gucci shoes. I'm not the guy who wears Gucci t-shirts, but I love Gucci shoes. And so I'd been on Poshmark kind of looking at price points for certain things. And that's how I got familiar with the website. I never thought about selling print on demand on here though, and unfortunately there's no Printful integration. So what I did is I manually uploaded like 10 or 12 products earlier this week, and they're not like really hyper optimized. Like, one of the nice things actually I should mention is that if you are interested in trying this, like, throw your best sellers up. There's nothing to lose. Poshmark's actually real easy to upload to. You don't need to like add 13 tags like Etsy and then battle with keeping it to 20 characters. It's really easy to upload to. You upload a minimum of like one image, which you can just grab the Printful mockup, and you put like a title. The description, believe I just copy pasted it out of Etsy. I was just looking at my Etsy listings and then moving them to Poshmark, but no tags, made it feel really simple. You add like a category, a quantity, a color, and a brand. I just put the actual brand of the base product, and that was it. So I have like something like 10 to 12 products uploaded. I haven't received a sale yet, but I have received some likes, which is what I'm showing you here in the news feed that Poshmark will show you. And you know, who knows if these are even real people? They could just be bots. I'm always a little skeptical because I don't know. I still like, it still baffles me how much time gets spent looking at social media news feeds, because that's like the opposite of how I live my life. I'm always like trying to do things that'll like advance me and help me try to make my dreams a reality. And like looking at social media news feeds is never going to do that for you. Sorry. So if you're one of those people. And yeah, so anyways, Poshmark, I got some products listed. I'm going to list a couple more. Unfortunately, unlike Wish, where I can just hit a button and then the automation uploader just uploads everything for me, with Poshmark, I have to do it all manually. But maybe after this video, I'll go knock a couple more out and try to get like maybe 30 listings up there. I've been trying to upload like my best-selling hats, because I feel like if people are doing t-shirts, like if they're zigging to t-shirts, I'm gonna zag to hats, try to differentiate a little bit, probably less competition. Poshmark did have a category for hats, so it is something that somebody was probably selling if the category exists. Who knows if anybody's buying it though. I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you updated. That's what I do with my income reports anyways. So at the very least, if I don't make a whole video dedicated to it, you'll hear about it in my monthly income reports, which you guys can check out on my channel. I have a whole playlist of them in chronological order from day 1 to, I think I'm at like month 27 or 28 since my first profits. So go ahead and check those out if you're interested in getting your own Amazon FBA, Amazon merch, or print-on-demand business off the ground. So you get a realistic expectation of what to expect. And that's it for this video, guys. Just wanted to throw these ideas out there. Check out the Printful Wish integration. And if you have bestsellers, go register for Poshmark, Poshmark.com, and throw a couple of product listings up there. It's honestly really easy and quick to do for a manual product listing creation. So that's it, guys. Thanks for checking out this video. If you liked it, please hit that like button. Please consider subscribing. Any questions, comments, feedback, hit me up below and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the next one.